What's up, guys? Just a quick video here to show you how easy you can find products to sell on Amazon. So let me just share my screen. I'm going to show you the exact process that can help you starting your own business. So I'll just share my screen here, and I'm going to go to search for Amazon best sellers, right? So I'm going to go here on to top sellers on Amazon.co.uk. Let's have a look. And let's start right from the first product here. So one thing that I would do is to check if this product is actually sold by multiple merchants to understand if it's a private label or there are multiple people selling it. So as you can see, there are 28 people selling this particular product. And this product is selling 354 times and making an estimated revenue of £7,076 according to our ASIN inspector. Now, one thing that I like to check is if Amazon is always in stock, and you can see there are some gaps here in the past 3 months that has been out of stock. But you can also check since that product has been listed, 2,678 days. It seems that it's pretty consistently in stock, right? So maybe I would skip this product, but just to show you, and the reason why I would skip is because when Amazon is a vendor, there is much more competition from them on the buy box. So what is the buy box? The buy box is this. So right now this product actually has been sold by, let me see who's got the buy box. So just gonna click on this 28 new, and the lowest price is actually just launched seller here. They're selling for £15, all right. So here you can see the competition there. So the thing that you can do is just clicking on the picture. You are going to search for this picture on Google. And right away, we can go straight to the manufacturer. So one thing that I would advise you to do is to contact these guys, asking them if you are allowed to sell their product online. But as you can see, you can go down here and click on the buy now button for $24.99, which is not that competitive compared to Amazon. But if you do a quick calculation of $24.99 times 130, your mean price will be about £32. As you can see, there are people there that are selling it much higher than that. And depending on the status of your account, you should be able to get a buy box, especially if you are a seasoned seller. See, you can see there are people that are selling it prime for that price, and they're making around 15% net profits on it. People that are actually selling it at a higher price than them, and if they're selling it prime, that means that they are selling this product because the buy box rotates. Well, let's get back into our sourcing again. And we're gonna go again to our best sellers. This is without any automation, no tools. Let's have a look at this particular product here and see if this is a private label product. There are 5 people selling this product, and the price range goes from £9 to £20. So let's have a look if we can find Google. We can find this product in Google. So there is a video in there, YouTube, Amazon. So it's selling pretty much everywhere. Amazon.com, UK, Canada, India. And let's see if we can find somewhere else where we can find it. Desert cards, save money, yes. I don't know, let's just click on one of them. That's not a good URL. On desert card, this guy here maybe. Don't know what that is. 5.70 MRs. So it seems like it's a foreign supplier. So maybe again I would skip this product. Let's see if we can find something else. Now let's get back into our products of the best sellers. And another thing I would advise you is to maybe go on like page 20 or something like that. Because here there is the most competition because there are the most ranked products. So you can still go on products that are still within like the top 1% of a category, such as these products here, but less competition. To check if it's a private label, you'll see if there is one seller only. So in this case, there are two sellers. Let's have a look if it is the same person, because sometimes, believe it or not, there is the same person listing the product twice, although it's against the Amazon policy. All right, so let me just click there. Right, we got two different people, so that means that we can probably find this product from another supplier or wholesaler. All right, Amazon, YouTube, by the month. Let's have a look how much is going in there. This seems to be just a product for a website for reviews. Let's get back. And Amazon Pro Breeze, let's have a look if they sell it. Buy now at Amazon. So they've got their own website by the look of it, where they are sending people to Amazon. Again, let's keep going. All right, so go back again. Let's say, for example, this Pillar and Tate signature blend coffee beans in the grocery category. Only one person is selling this. That tells me that could be a private label. Yeah, so let's skip this one because they will have their own manufacturer for that product. And just keep going. I will skip clothing because there's a lot of competition on clothing. Let's have a look if we can find this bottle refrigerator. One person selling it. Again, skip it because it could be a private label. Keep going. Let's save this torch, which this looks again like it's a private label and it doesn't look like it's got many reviews, so I don't think it's gonna be high in sales. One person, again, yeah, private label. However, let's have a look. How many sales per month? This person is making about 45 sales per month, 584 in revenue. And let's see what Keepa says. Keepa is just loading. I highly advise you to get Keepa. For your sourcing, because it gives you so much cool information about the products. If Amazon is a seller, how long that product has been on Amazon for. Another cool strategy is looking at similar products. So this doesn't look like or this product is pulling any information right now. Another thing that you can do is shopping by department. So we could go like into the home and kitchen. Home and kitchen category is a good one because these are products that are replenishable all the time. Sports and outdoor, APR on Gate, the beauty category is very good. I am absolutely killing it on the beauty category in the UK. Well, let's go into here, kitchen and home appliances. All right, and obviously it's gonna bring back the best sellers for every single product in this category as well. So again, I probably would skip a few pages. Let's see, we can choose blenders and processor, coffee machines, kettle and hot water, microwaves. Let's do microwaves. So we got the best-selling microwaves in here. And still loading. Now my DS Quick View extension, DS Amazon Quick View extension will help me identify products with good ranking by just hovering over the product. All right, so we got this one here, which seems to be generating over 69,000 in revenue, and there is just one new from 144. Let's have a look if we can find these products at a supplier or wholesaler. You can get it from Currys. So have a look how much is going there for. So selling on Amazon for £144. Can get it at Currys for 139. This is definitely not a private label because Panasonic is a worldwide brand. However, you want to be sure that you can list Panasonic's products. So you will be just competing with one person here. right? And they seem to be a pretty seasoned seller. Amazon is not always in stock, and this product has been on for just over a year. All right, so this is definitely a product that I would definitely look at. And if we're getting it for £134.99, 134.99 times 1.30, our main price will be 175, which is about £30 more expensive than this guy. But I've just checked one supplier, so you could literally go down the pages and see if it's found in other places as well, other suppliers. Hazard cards and deals and sales.co.uk. There you go. $89.99. 134, 144, 144, 89. Argos. 89. Similar ones. You could literally go and check for each one of these or see how much is going for on Amazon. So few cruise applications that you should be having. Also, what you could be doing is clicking on the shopping thing, and it tells you is available at these 9 stores. So you can see here, compare the prices from 5 different shops, and you can see that it's sold at Shinlist, Stuff UK Net, eBuyer.com, Argos, Amazon.co.uk, obviously, Couriers 134, which we just saw. So these are some other ways that you can utilize to source products on Amazon. Now, a few cool applications that you should be having are the DS Amazon Quick View. Then I would advise you to have something like ASIN Inspector or RevSeller, which I believe now I need to log in to use it. It tells you what the ranking is, estimated sales per month, what kind of percentage of the ranking of its category it will be at. And that's it, really. This is a very manual process, but if you spend a couple of hours a day trying to find products that will sell multiple times in a month, and you do that continuously, day in and day out, finding a few products every single day that you could send to Amazon to be distributed across Europe, you will generate a full-time income. I hope you enjoyed this recording. If you like it, like my page. If you love it, subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.